Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you the solution of a problem. In Photoshop there is often an error of scratch disk are full. No matter what we do, even if we take a new layer, this error still occurs. Why it comes, how to solve, it will be explained in today's class, so let's start. First of all, let me tell you what a scratch disk is. In fact, like Windows, Photoshop builds its own virtual memory in hard drive, and it's called the scratch disk in Adobe's language. So if you have an error with a scratch disk, first clean your desktop and remove all the unnecessary files on the desktop. Check the space of your C drive. If it is full, then uninstall unnecessary software or shift it if there is any data. It is important to keep a healthy space in the C drive where Windows is installed. Let's see how to fix it by walking on the screen. Right-click on C drive and click on Properties. Now press the Disk Cleanup button. This will take some minutes to load unnecessary files. Now check these options. Recycle bin. Temporary files. Then press OK. Press Delete Files. Now the second step is, open your Photoshop. Go to Edit menu. Go to Preferences. And choose Performance. This is your RAM. You can increase or decrease the range of RAM usage for Photoshop, but I'll recommend you do not change its default range. Below to Performance there is another option of scratch disk. By default Photoshop use only C drive to create scratch disk. But we can choose more disks to solve the scratch disk problem. Select as many drives as you have. Now if Photoshop was making scratch disks in the C drive itself, it will now be able to make scratch disks in other drives as well, and your problem will be solved very easily. I hope this video will solve your problem. Please press the like button. Thanks for watching.